This again is video shot yesterday of workers in Kourou, French Guiana, working to load up the automated transfer vehicle Johannes Kepler with the supplies that it's going to be ferrying to the International Space Station.
Go on this side because you have too many on the platform. You want ATV?
Wat ben je? Ik heb het gevoel niet bij dan.
Workers here are wearing clean suits, which is per the norm for loading up a vehicle that's going into space, because when the crew opens it, they want to ensure that there's no debris that will be floating around and possibly be able to get into the crew's eyes or anything like that. ATV is more than 32 feet long and more than 14 feet wide. It's actually going to be docking to the Zvezda service module's aft port on February 20th and will spend more than 3 months at the station before it's undocked after being filled with trash and then deorbited to burn up in the Earth's atmosphere.
Let's fill on 2 for the, or on 1 for the sea reactivity gather.
Go ahead, Scott. We're here on 1.